The Toyota 86 are 2+2 sports cars jointly developed by Toyota and Subaru, manufactured at Subaru's Gunma assembly plant. The 2+2 Fastback Coupe is noted for its naturally aspirated boxer engine, front engine, rear-wheel drive configuration, 53/47 front/rear weight balance and low center of gravity, and for drawing inspiration from Toyota's earlier AE86, a small, light, front engine/rear drive Corolla variant widely popular for showroom stock, Group A, Group N, rally, club and drift racing. For the first-generation model, Toyota marketed the sports car as the 86 in Asia, Australia, North America, from August 2016, South Africa, and South America, as the Toyota GT86 in Europe, as the 86 and GT86 in New Zealand, as the Toyota FT86 in Brunei, Nicaragua and Jamaica, and as the Scion FRS, 2012 to 2016, in the United States and Canada. The second-generation model is marketed by Toyota as the GR86 as a reference to its Gazoo racing division. The development code of the 2+2 is 086A in the 86, Hachiroku in Japanese, references the historic Toyota 2000 GT, 1983 to 1987 AE86 and Sports 800. Initial layout and design elements for the 86 were presented by Toyota using its FT, Future Toyota, concept car nomenclature. The first was the Toyota FT-HS, which was presented at the North American International Auto Show in 2007. It had a front engine, rear-wheel drive layout and 2+2 seating and was powered by a V6 engine with hybrid electric assistance. In 2008, Toyota bought 16.5% of Fuji Heavy Industries, which includes the Subaru automotive brand. Toyota, led by project leader Tetsuya Tada, then invited Subaru to partner in the project by co-developing the new D4S Boxer engine. The offer, which conflicted with Subaru's reputation for high-performance all-wheel drive, AWD, cars, was rejected. The project came to a 6-month halt before Toyota invited journalists and Subaru engineers to test a developmental prototype. Following the test, Subaru agreed to become further involved in development. The collaboration produced a concept car, the FT86 Concept, which debuted at the Tokyo Motor Show in October 2009. Smaller than the FT-HS, the design of the FT86 was further refined by Toyota's ED2 design studio, while the hybrid V6 powerplant was replaced by the new D4S Boxer. Subaru provided the chassis, modifying it from M Impreza. The custom red paint was based on the backside of a Japanese macaque. At the 2010 Tokyo Motor Show, Toyota launched its G-Sports line of aftermarket accessories, along with the FT86 G-Sports concept car. It featured G-Sports carbon fiber panels, a vented bonnet, rear wing, 19 in, 48 cm, wheels, Recaro race seats, and an interior roll cage. The D4S engine also added a turbocharger. In 2011, Toyota and Subaru unveiled 5 near-production concept cars to show their progress with the project. The first, known as the FT86-2 concept, was unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show in March 2011.